Okay, now I want to look at how to reference your sources of information. So, when you get an assignment, a project, an essay, um, you might want to do some research. And you need to list that source of information. So you do research to get ideas of what to write or ideas of what someone else did. So maybe you can tweak what they did. But you have to ensure that you list their idea, what you looked at the bottom of your essay, let's say. So I'm going to look at why. It's called plagiarism. Plagiarism refers to using some other person's ideas and information without acknowledging that specific person as a source. So it's like you are saying you came up with all the ideas on your own with no help. And that's just not true. So what you're doing is just acknowledging that you got an idea from someone else, right? Or you got a definition from somewhere else. Okay, so when you're doing a project and you're doing research, most likely you're going to go to Google. All right, so let's just type in something to research, a topic to research. And I want to look at reliable sources of information. Wikipedia is not a reliable source of information, as you would have learned when you did library skills or library science. So I'm looking for a link that I think looks good. I'm going to check it out. Right. Now this tells me what is a computer. Now, if I was to copy this, so I highlight, right click on the blue, click copy, and then I paste it into my Word document. I have taken this information from somewhere else. Therefore, I need to reference it. So I'm going to have my reference. So I have computer definition taken from. Now I need to get the web address. So to the top of your window is the web address. So if I click on it, it just turns blue. It automatically highlights the entire web address. Right click on the blue, click copy, go back to your Word document and paste. Alright, now the web address is there. Same thing should occur for all information you copy and paste or anything that you read and then you use the idea in your project. You should list your reference. Also, if you look at an image, let's say I'm going to take an image and I'm going to put it into my project. I'm going to take this first one. I'm going to copy this image and I'm going to put it into my Word document. Let me see, I put it at the top here. Make it a little smaller. Right. Now, I've taken that image. So, image of computer taken from, I need to reference it. So let me go back to my web page. My picture is here. Right click on the picture, click copy image address, go back to Word and paste. And there's my web address of the image that I used in my project. Right. Now, what if I looked at a video? Any one of these videos. Let's see which one. Okay, let's look at the first one. Alright, so that has an ad to it, and eventually the video will come up. Now, if I looked at a video, if I looked at a video, and then I might not have copied any information from it, but I might have gotten an idea from the video. I need to reference that video as well. So, video of what's that video about? How to organize Google Classroom. Taken from, and again, I'm going to use the web address. So, click on the web address, it turns blue, right click on the blue, click copy, go back to my Word document, click paste. And now I have a list of references, a list of my sources of information. And I'm being truthful about where I got my information from. And I'm not going to pretend I made this up all on my own. And that's it.